Hi everybody, it's about 9 o'clock on August 27th. Tomorrow we leave on our trip to Europe. We're going to be going to Prague first, then to Český Krumlov in the Czech Republic, and then to Mykolaiv in the Czech Republic, and then down to Vienna, Austria, and then over to Graz, Austria, and then to Ljubljana, Slovenia, where we will join a Rick Steves tour and tour Slovenia and Croatia and into Bosnia for 2 weeks. So this is kind of a long trip, the longest we've ever been away from home, I think. And we're real excited about it. And
kind of sad.
We're going to try to post some videos and share our experience with y'all. So let us know what you think, and we'll try to post something regularly.